Unveiling the Wisdom of Swami Vivekananda, a new book captures his legacy, inspiring the youth of India. A powerful message was delivered as Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan launched a book dedicated to the iconic Swami Vivekananda. The book, titled Living the Vivekananda Way, Practical Spirituality for Modern India, is a testament to the enduring impact of Swami Vivekananda's teachings. A generation inspired, Pradhan praised the young authors, Ananya Awasthi and Nikhil Yadav, for their efforts in capturing the essence of Swami Vivekananda's wisdom and making it accessible to the present generation. He emphasized that the book serves as a bridge between the ancient principles of the Vedas and Upanishads and the modern world, inspiring Gen Z to embrace their democratic ethos and strengthen India's unity. PM Modi's trust in youth. Delhi University Vice-Chancellor Professor Yogesh Singh highlighted Prime Minister Narendra Modi's belief in the youth, quoting his remarks on Swami Vivekananda's faith in the country's new generation. Singh emphasized the trust chain from Swami Vivekananda to the Prime Minister, and ultimately to the youth of India. A practical guide for modern times. In his post on X, Pradhan further elaborated on the book's significance, calling it a commendable initiative and a practical guide for the new generation. He believes the book will inspire youth to learn and embrace the values taught by Swami Vivekananda, providing a guiding light for navigating modern challenges. Controversial take, but here's where it gets controversial. Some may argue that while Swami Vivekananda's teachings are timeless, the interpretation and application of his philosophy in modern India could be a matter of debate. What do you think? Should we strictly adhere to his principles, or is it okay to adapt them to suit the changing times? Your thoughts matter. We'd love to hear your opinions on this. Do you agree with Pradhan's assessment of the book's impact on Gen Z? How do you interpret Swami Vivekananda's philosophy in the context of modern India? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's spark a meaningful discussion.